friends, sparrows, three sparrows are sitting together. This is lovely nature. They don't disturb each other. They sit cool and calm and remain happy. They enjoy on small trees. They love to go here and there in the nature. You can see now there are one, two, three, four sparrows. They are enjoying. We human beings always say I have deficiency of this thing, deficiency of this thing, but you can see how this nature is beautiful. They don't blame, they don't say I have not this thing, I have not this thing. They remain busy in their work and spend a happy life. So if we also remain to live happy, we need to learn from these sparrows. They always remain busy in their work and focus on their task, and their task is to find food for their children and brought up of their self. Actually, these sparrows focus on their self. You can see they are sitting cool and calm way. Amazing, lovely, innocent sparrows. One, two, three, four. Four sparrows are sitting. They are happy. They feel good. Actually, it's heavy rain a few time ago, and that's why due to this rain they are feeling little bit cold and uh, want some sort of dry place, and that's why they are here to regroup, to restore their energy. Oh, two sparrows got annoyed when I try to come too close to them, and now I know about their nature. Let's see, I try to go little bit far and they can come back on this place. I'm going back. Now only two sparrows are sitting. I'm going back. Let's see what happens. As long as I would remain away from this place, so there are the chances that sparrows would return back and trust on this place. You can see only two sparrows remaining at this place. They are happy to sit there. It looks like, oh, one other sparrow disappeared. Now only one sparrow is remaining here. Oh, this sparrow also disappeared. Now there is no sparrow on this wall. If you want to see or you have observed a very minute or a phenomena, birds go here and there. They sit from the on this place from their time to time, replace their directions. We human beings usually, being as I'm a clinical psychologist, and I see the people feel really sad when uh, and in sadness they uh, capture their self, they lock their self in the room and don't go outside the place, and this thing puts negative impact on our mood. And but these birds tell us move here and there. If you want to live happy, if you want to enjoy the life, you move, little bit move. Oh, There are few sparrows. Here you can see. Here are also few sparrows. They are feeling little bit happy at this place because this is a bird covered with various leaves, and these leaves giving them a shelter, and it protects them from the rain as well as. So that's why these sparrows feeling good. This is a couple of sparrow, one male sparrow and one female sparrow. Yeah, if you can see, I'm trying to capture their pictures. So this is a male sparrow, and now let's try to capture the picture of female sparrow. So viewers, this is a, oh wow, wonderful. And now we are trying to make picture. So one member flew and other is still on the tree. So nature is lovely, nature is beautiful. So this is a nature that gives impact how some birds are flying. You can see they're going here and there. They remain happy because they don't sit at the same place. They go here, they go there, and remain happy. If you like this documentary, please subscribe our channel and tell in comment how you like sparrow life and life of the birds. uh, I'll be thankful to you for the watching the video. Bye bye.